Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to find common items in two lists using sets. Here I'm having two lists, list 1 and list 2. List 1 has 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, and 4. List 2 has 4 elements, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the common elements in these two lists are 3 and 4 because these two elements are shared. So we would like to have the 3 and 4 in the output. To do that, I'm using the print function. I'm showing the message common items. Then I'm calling the common items function and I'm passing two arguments. And these two arguments are basically the two lists that we have here. So I use the def keyword to create my function. I'm having the common items as the name of the function, and these are the two arguments being separated by a comma. Basically, what we do is the following. We convert these two lists, into sets using the set function. Okay. Using the set function, we are going to convert them and we are going to use the AND operator. Why? Because AND operator is going to help us to find common elements between two sets. Okay, so AND operator is going to help us to find common elements in two sets. Okay. So I first convert these two lists to sets using the set function, and then I use the I use the AND operator to find the common elements between these two sets, and it is going to basically return the output for us. And when we call the function, it is going to do the calculation and return the output, and output is being printed in the terminal here. So 3 and 4 are the common elements between these two lists. Thank you for watching.